President Aquino once again returned to Bohol to personally see the rehabilitation progress of the province. Leo Galvez will tell us more.
President Aquino returned to Bohol as part of the series of activities lined up for Labor Day. The president said he is revisiting Bohol to be with residents and check the implementation of for the province.
At sa pagbalik natin dito, talaga naman po kitang-kitang lalo pang ibinubuti ng inyong kalagayan. Walang dudang bunso dito ng inyong pag-aambagan at kolektibong paninindigan na iahon ang inyong bayan mula sa sakuna. Sa araw na ito, nakikita natin ang bunga ng ating layuning mag-build back better sa inyong mga komunidad. Hindi lang natin ibabalik sa dati ang inyong kalagayan para lawakan natin ang oportunidad sa pagunlad ng mga kababayan natin dito sa Bohol.
He cited as example the launching of the Bohol Fabrication Laboratory or Fab Lab at the Bohol Island State University or BISU in Tagbilaran City. Fab Lab is the first technical prototyping platform for innovation and invention in the country, established in partnership with the DTI, DOST, BISU, and JICA or Japan International Cooperation Agency. In the lab, the president inspected the equipment in the lab, which include a 2D and 3D laser cutter and a high-resolution milling machine. According to the president, the Fab Lab is part of the strategy to boost small and medium-scale enterprises or MSMEs. In Bohol, 135 MSMEs are expected to benefit from the project.
Ang mga inisyatiba pong tulad dito, isang makabuluhang hakbang upang mas mapabilis pa ang pagbangon ng Bohol. Ang hangad po natin, itaguyod ang probinsya ninyo na mas masigla, mas maunlad, at mas hitik ang pagkakataon kaysa nung bago pa ang lindol. Hindi po malayong mangyari ito, lalo't pat nariyan ang todo sigasig at walang pagod na paglilingkod ni Governor Ed Chato.
While in Bohol, the president gave updates on the government's housing assistance and cash for work programs. He also mentioned the continuous infrastructure rehabilitation efforts in the province.
All roads, temporary bridges are passable, permanent bridges to be completed by October 2014. Okay.
According to the local government, Bohol's economy has improved since the earthquake in October.
The economic side, umangat talaga tayo from where we were at the time of the earthquake, and there are three pillars of growth in the province of Bohol. That's tourism on one hand, agriculture, and then we have information technology as the new pillar of economic growth. Sa tourism naman, especially during the Holy Week season, talagang umaangat sa 80%, nag 100% na mga resorts. So bumabalik talaga yung turista natin. On the agriculture side, hopefully we will not be hit by this El Nino, but we were able to harvest, and then our economic activity is fast moving in the province. And we are just focusing on yung home-based livelihood activities, especially to fill in the gaps doon sa mga natamaan talaga.
Meanwhile, on the government's rehabilitation efforts on Yolanda, the president is waiting for the presentation of Secretary Panfilo Lacson. This is Leo Galvez for News at 1, Junior Edition.